I love the way that you guys will always care for me no matter what. Even though Tatay would be busy sometimes, most of the times. I really love you both as much as I could. And the thing is, I also wanted to thank all of the teachers, the faculty, everybody who has helped me in the school. Because the lessons you guys also provide give me a wide range of experiences that I could never buy with money. So that's why the importance of love and care from our parents, teachers, and society is really important for character building and things that you could use in your life. And even though I'm graduating, this is not just the end of my life. This is just the beginning. So that's why I just want to thank you, thank my mom and my dad, love you. And I also want to thank all of my classmates who've given me many insights on words I don't know, fun experiences that I've never heard of, and two brothers that I call Seth and Nico. Because since us three are the only children, we consider ourselves the brothers of our classroom, and including my best friend Jeremy over there. Yeah, he's a really funny person, and his mom loves him very much as well. And I just want to say thank you for everyone who's been a part of my life until now, and I also hope for everybody else to succeed in life. And that's my message. Thank you.